Welcome students. In the previous lecture we have studied about the networking operating system administration, where we have discussed about the configuration and its maintenance and the management, the types of management. So in the next topic we will going to continue this chapter with the network security specialist and the IT opportunities in the case of networking. So let us begin this topic. So first question is arising here, what is a network security specialist? So it is a security specialist or a computer security specialist, which is a kind of a computer administrator. You can call it as a computer administrator that is specializing in a protecting a company's data. Means he is a person that she is a person that is going to protect the company's database and other activities and other information, and in the network security specialist it is going to build the firewalls. It is installing the antiviruses on a server where he is the in charge or administrating the system, and it is as well as the handling the within a computer network and monitoring the all the network breaches in the security. Means it is checking about the all security breaches. If does it happen, then it is going to maintained and managed by the security administrator as well. And in the network security it is also going further for the business purpose also, and individual person that is storing sensitive data electronically. So main reason behind the security of a network is that the more business and the individuals, they are storing the sensitive data that is in the electronic form. It may be in a secured form. So in the additional, the technical roles, that is the network security specialist, it is a person or an administrator that is providing us the training to a general staff, that is instruct the staff within the company or an organization regarding the security issue. He or she may develop the policies, that is that how to manage employees, that how can they can access the company's information using the smartphones, using a net electronic devices, using the laptops, personal computers, home computers. So they are guiding them or instruct them about all those security issues, all those security breaches. Okay, let us talk about the career opportunities in the network specialist. So what types of opportunities does have the network specialist? So he or she can protect the system by the accessing the privileges. Means they are giving the priority to all or to accessing the database. Means controlling the structures and resources, that those kind of resources is accessed by a person, giving the access with the high priority with the low priority. In the next we have it is recognizing all those problems, identify all the abnormalities and reporting violations. It is going to security improvements implements by the current situation. It is checking the current situation, and on that currently situation it is going to improvement, going to implement all those improvements regarding the security measures. And it does evaluate all the trends, like anticipating or forecasting about all the requirement. Does it have to be purchased in a future use or not, or it is going to plan all those implementation for the security measures, like to protect the computer system through the another devices or a network devices through the data. And in the next we have the network security analyst, that they are expecting to stay up to date. Means they have to up to date or update their latest intelligence. They should have the knowledge about the security regarding the security measures regarding the networking in the field of networking, and including the hackers methodologies, as well as they have to be capable to anticipate all the security breaches. Next, they are the person, those are responsible for the preventing the data loss as well as the service interruptions, and they are the researchers for the new technologies, that what would be the evaluation for the next generation, and what are some of those technology that they are adopting and accepting, and they have to be implemented in those computer networks effectively, and what is the reason behind it? To protect their organizational network. And they are creating, testing and implementing the network disaster recovery plans. And next, they are assessments, performing risk, and testing the data processing system. Means here is that they are accessing all those risk reasons and why it does happen, what is the reason behind it, that problem, that why the currently system is not working like as the does they wanted to be. So they accessing all those risks, they recovered the data, they recovered the devices and test for the data processing systems. And next, they have to be updated, they must have to be install the firewalls and the data encryptions and other security measures. So those are the some of the various career opportunities in the case of network specialist. So we have the various career opportunities, like it can be work in IT industry with the network administrator. They can work like a network engineer. They can work like a network technician, and maybe it may be a network analyst, network system manager, and network security engineers, etc. So they are the some of the career opportunities for the network specialist in the field of IT. Okay, that's all for today. In the next lecture, we will going to continue this chapter with the next topic. So thank you so much. Have a great day.